Well, good evening again. Here we are, out for another trip on the Hampshire Avon, having another go for barbel. It's an absolutely stunningly gorgeous evening. The sun's starting to sink down now. I've chosen here at the bottom of a very shallow, fast-running section. I've seen barbel before, running through. They do hang around here a lot at the beginning of the season. I was talking to the bailiff earlier on, and he said he saw some barbel up in the middle here on Sunday. So you can't really tell now with the light. Unfortunately, I didn't get here until quite late, but it's always good to know that barbel have been seen in the area. Might end up with another chub later on. You never know. Seems to always come along. It's a fantastic evening. What more could you ask for after a hard day at work? Well, I just had a fish top then. I wasn't looking, so I didn't see it. So I think there's trout or something in the area. Chub of bits and pieces. Used exactly the same methods as I did before. Had a pellet in the feeder. Push down. Pellet soaked in a lot of liquid attracts. Sort of like cap off at the top, so it holds it in while I cast out the bait. Over a period of time it slowly runs out. Got a boilie on one rod and a nice fake bit of pellet on the other rod. Both wrapped up in Sonic Bait's hemp and spicy sausage. Absolutely stinks. Unbelievable stuff. In fact, I'll show you what I'm doing really. So basically what we've got is a bucket full of pellet. Bait tech pellet, mixed up pellet. There's me soaked pellet in oil. Soaked it in Gulp Baits GLM extract. And Gulp Baits liver and fish. So it's got all nice and soft. Absolutely fantastic. This is the paste I'm using. There you go, barbel and carp paste. Hemp and spicy sausage. Unbelievable stuff. Get it in your hands. It appears to be there for the evening. Don't think the wife will be too keen on me when I get home. But hopefully we'll try washing it off and see how we get on really. That's basically all I'm using. Ramming oil in a feeder, flicking it out there. Every so often, catapulting a lot of hemp out there. And pellet. The swim. Sort of 5 or 6 pouchfuls. Tiny little pouches about every half an hour. See how we get on really. There you go. Be lucky, eh? Oh, it's nearly 10 o'clock at night. Still quite light. No signs of any fish yet. A few knocks and taps and things, but nothing major. I'll hopefully give it to about 10:30. Maybe a bit longer. Unfortunately I've got to be at work for 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, which means getting up about 5:15. Which is one of the reasons why I'm not carp fishing tonight. But stunning evening, absolutely gorgeous. Lots of ducks and kingfishers been flying around. Swans going up and down. Absolutely wonderful. It's just peace and quiet, listen. Why on earth would you want to be at home watching TV or playing on computer games when you could be sitting here and watching the world go by, watching nature at its best? It's gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. What I could really do with now is the rod to hoop over it and the bait runner to scream off. But that doesn't happen every time, does it? Once in a while, just be nice. Oh, there we go. Moon's out. Stars will be out soon. There we go. You're back in focus. Right. That's it. Night night. Getting a bit too dark. Oh, sorry. That was me trying to autofocus. It's really working well today. Oh, there we go. We're back. So much to autofocus. More like auto blur. There you go. Night night. See you soon.